Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Marcus Garvey Drive and we're heading towards the Kingston Wharf area. Now, as you'll notice, Marcus Garvey Drive was recently renovated, but unlike some of the other roads, this is one of the widest roads in Jamaica. There is no road wider than 6 lanes in Jamaica. And the reason why this road is 6 lanes is because it takes you to the wharf, and it also takes you to downtown Kingston, and it takes you to Halfway Tree. Basically, this is a very busy road and a very important road in the Jamaican road infrastructure. You also have Petrojam off this road, and Petrojam is the largest and only oil refinery in Jamaica. So as you can see, 6 lanes outside of the highways. This is the widest road. Actually, the highways are not even 6 lanes, they're 4 lanes. Portmore Expressway might be 6 lanes, and it opens up to more lanes at the toll plaza. And this road connects you to the Portmore Expressway. So you can take this road to the Portmore Expressway and then over to Portmore. So that's why this road is so wide, because it's so important and it's so busy. Alright, so we're now going to turn and go into the wharf now. So the wharf now, this port is on the Kingston Harbour. The name of the port is the Kingston Container Terminal, and this is the largest port in Jamaica. And between 80 to 90% of all the goods that come into Jamaica come in through this port. There's another port in Montego Bay, but it's not as busy as this one. So you're going to find a lot of warehouses, a lot of brokers, a lot of haulage companies, everything you need to support a wharf or a port you're going to find in this area. So that's the actual port on the left. You see all the containers and the cranes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.